Let's begin with a beautiful makeup look by Jasmine Hand. Starting by priming the face thoroughly to make sure the base product blends seamlessly. Filling in the eyebrows and defining them with a concealer and a flat brush. Slowly applying foundation on little by little to control the coverage. Blending everything in and adding a bright shade of concealer with a flat brush, just to highlight the face. Blending that in with a damp beauty sponge, this will instantly lift the face and brighten it. So cute! Applying some illuminizer on the high points of the face like the cheekbones, the nose, and Cupid's bow. Illuminizers have a more subtle glow which looks more natural in contrast to powder highlighters. Setting and mattifying the base with a light layer of loose translucent powder. Proceeding with the eye look by dipping into a subtle brown shade and adding it on the outer corner. See how gorgeous the eye look is? The rose gold sparkle is everything you could ever want. Finishing up with the facial details by defining the face with some bronzer. Baking the highlighter parts with loose powder and then smoking out the lower lash line. Lovely hues. Lining the lips with a dark brown lip liner shade. Outlining a bit to make them look fuller. Shaping the Cupid's bow beautifully. This whole look is coming along super nicely. Applying a light layer of lipstick on the lips and then making them glossy for a stunning end result. She looks breathtakingly beautiful.